What would happen if you learn more? What would happen if you fully understand the techniques and you use it intentionally? Alam mo paano gamitin. Alam mo kailan gamitin, paano gamitin, at para saan. So whatever struggles that you have right now, the first thing that will come to your mind is, ano yung technique na alam ko na matutulungan akong ma-overcome yung pinagdadaanan ko ngayon? Ano yung meron ako na alam ko sa sitwasyon ko ngayon na ganito para maging okay yung sitwasyon ko? Do you think it's something that will benefit you? Do you think it will also benefit you and your family? And do you think it will benefit you and your career? Definitely, di ba? Not only that, you take back control of your life. Ikaw yung in charge sa buhay mo. Not life dictating on you. Kumbaga, ikaw yung may control sa results ng buhay mo. That's amazing. That's how amazing neuro-linguistic programming is. Yung kailangan lang matutunan mo at i-apply mo sa buhay mo. If nagbago yung buhay ko because of those 3 techniques, what more when I was learning a lot of NLP techniques? Parang every situation that I encounter, ano yung meron ako?